Yeah, so I'm gonna flank a little bit around because I think I get more cover going directly into the city, and since they're protecting a hostage, they're not gonna be roaming too far out.
More cover. Going this way, it's like a death trap.
Yeah. Well, I mean, once we get a little closer up, we can spawn on. But
they are anywhere in Maelstrom because it's their home turf. You guys are straight up doing some Ghost Recon bullshit.
Let's have a Ghost Recon.
Are they allowed to move the hostage after we start?
Huh?
Are they allowed to move the hostage after we start?
No, he stays in whatever building he's in.
Okay.
They don't move him. They don't even... Alright, we have the sound enough. Remember, if you're shot, you're dead. If you're dead, go behind the tires over there where Chrono is. That's where I'm gonna have everybody meet up to be dead. So that way nobody's confused.
No respawn.
No respawn.
Okay.
Just like Siege. Alright.
Instant death.
You said they already gave us the go. I'm not trying to leave.
No, I gotta see how revives work before I add them. I want to see how this works with a small group, because when we did it, we had like a fuck ton more people.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it doesn't work out, I'll make probably like a 20-second.
I was gonna say 20.
Hand on, because I want this to go quick, or I want this to be painful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Are you guys ready?
Ready.
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 You have to respawn. You have to spawn.
What?
Yep. Flap! Big rock left! Thanks, man. Suppressing. Hey, did the suppressors actually help with anything?
Just for show.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Mine does.
I mean,
You have mock expressors and then you can have actual functionings.
it helps out if I want to extend the inner barrel.
We only have
Yeah.
three purple,
Extra space to
and all three of
extend
us.
It just seems like my gun's louder than anybody's. Like, I didn't clean it before coming though. That might be it.
You win?
Purple wins.
Huzzah! Nice job, Kyle.
East.
Dude, I heard it hit your backpack. 'Cause I heard it slam like contact against
Vinyl.
flannel.
You guys were terrible hostage takers. They didn't even try anything.
Yeah, I
Hey,
would have shot you more if I knew I didn't take you.
yeah, you guys better not start this.
Nah.